calling India's energy security important for global growth, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday said that it is the world's fastest growing economy. India's energy security is also important for global growth as it is the world's fastest growing economy. We must not promote any restrictions on the supply of energy, and stability in the energy market should be ensured. India is committed to clean energy and the environment, Prime Minister Modi said while addressing the G20 working session on food and energy security. India is committed to clean energy and environment. By 2030, half of our electricity will be generated from renewable sources. Time-bound and affordable finance and sustainable supply of technology to developing countries is essential for inclusive energy transition, Prime Minister added. Prime Minister Modi also said that during India's G20 presidency, India will work for global consensus on all these issues.